It's a rainy day. It's the only basically time that I have to work on the car, and I want to do something that I've been wanting for a while. I've ordered this front Mach 1 style lip from lmr.com, and I want to put it. It's gonna go down there. This lip does not go all the way around the bumper. It kind of rounds off somewhere there. But I like the looks. I've seen others with it, and hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. Now the lip comes in this box, and it's folded in. So the instructions tell you to leave it outside in the sun in order to make the final form go back into the way you see it now. But unfortunately, it's been cold and barely did so. So I have a heat gun and just slowly heated up everything in order to mold it back into where it is. Okay, so first we have to find the midpoint so we can mark it on the bumper, and looks like it's marked here, or an extra bulb, but looks like it's the middle of it. And then we have to find a middle point bumper. Alright guys, I know I didn't film the process, but this is just a mock-up. As you can see, it sits pretty much where it should, and where you see the gaps, so obviously it's going to go in better. Plus I'm going to use some of my heat gun to mold the areas where it's not 100%, but in the meantime, this is how it should look like. I like it a lot. So let's get into drilling. By the way, it does come with an instruction kit to measure everything and drill, so it should be easy. Hopefully I'll get more done, and then the car needs a wash badly, maybe even a clay bar. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, one side is done. I think I need another bolt or two, but as you can see, it's pretty good. All right, let's keep going. All right, this is looking good. Is it 100% on center? Probably not. Is it 100% professional? Definitely not. Yes, if you go to someone who's professional, will do it better, but I'm happy. And now to wash the car. I know this video is probably going to be a little bit jumpy, but I'm in my Escalade and just wanted to show you something. Now, I bought this head unit screen, Tesla style, from eBay. It was about like $650, and honestly it's very disappointing. I thought it would work normally, thought give it a try, factory resetting it even a couple of times, but it's bad. So first of all, I want to show you the fitment of the unit itself. I don't know if you can see, but here it's over, the bezel goes over the unit itself, so it means it's bigger than the cutout for the original. I still have the original one. What I'm gonna do is going to send this. I reached a resolution with eBay, thank you very much eBay, to send this unit back. It's very problematic and they're gonna refund me. I'm gonna put the original back, and in the meantime I'll probably look for a replacement. So again, this fitment is horrible. I had to bend the bezel and it's probably bent forever. I hope it's gonna fit normally after, and it's not gonna be wavy when I put it back. As you can see here, there's a huge gap. Here it's kind of sits normally on this end, but everything else is just not good. Of course this is made in China, and the issues I've had with it is poor Bluetooth connectivity. Once I connected my phone to it, if I do anything on my phone, it will disconnect and it will not connect back until the car is off and there's no power to the unit, meaning it's being reset. It's very slow. There's no memory on it, not enough memory, and running, let's say, navigation plus music is very slow, choppy, and it would honestly disconnect and sometimes freeze in the middle of working. And working also, the USB is not working on it at all. I tried resetting it, I tried to do everything and absolutely everything. It just doesn't work. It just uses as a charge port if you want to charge your phone, but it's not going to see it. And the app that's being used is not that good, and on the screen itself, the mirror link, it would mirror your phone with a small screen, meaning it would adjust tiny bit of the screen, not the full screen, and work. So that wouldn't work properly. It would also disconnect. Oh man. And in the last couple of times I had to reset it, and when trying to play music in Bluetooth, it would sound like a robotic voice. I don't know even how to explain it. So going Bluetooth, I had to go to music. Let's see. That's how it sounds. It will go back to normal once I do factory reset, but that's not the reason I bought this unit. If I do anything on my phone, disconnected. There. On my phone it shows disconnected. On the unit it still shows connected. So if I press play, it just plays on my phone and that's it. I tried to work with the seller, send messages back and forth, but it was useless. And thank you very much eBay, thank you very much PayPal for actually taking this claim and refunding me the money. I have to send the unit back. There's no use to it, it's useless. And I'll put the old back. Like I said, I'll look for something else. If you guys have any recommendations for a head unit, I want something that the Bluetooth will work, music, calls, and navigation. That would be my main thing. All right, so let's get to it. So the process is very easy. Honestly, it doesn't take more than 20 minutes or so. Sunday. It's a nice day outside. So we're gonna go to basically Cars and Coffee, and that would be this for this video. Enjoy the footage. See you next time.